Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is UN Women 2024 report. Recently, a new UN Women report, Women's Rights in Review 30 years after Beijing was released. The report underscored the urgent need to safeguard and advance gender equality amid growing threats. It reveals that nearly a quarter of governments reported a backlash against women's rights in 2024, reversing years of progress. It emphasizes increased discrimination, weaker legal protections, and diminishing resources for gender-focused programs. Growing resistance to legal reforms, digital technology spreading harmful stereotypes, and more women in conflict zones are notable concerns. Key setbacks and challenges: a woman or girl is killed every 10 minutes by a partner or family member. Women still hold only 64% of the legal rights that men enjoy despite 1,531 legal reforms since 1995. Women earn 20% less than men on average, and many work in informal economies without social protection. The digital divide limits women's economic opportunities, with AI and online platforms perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Beijing Plus 30 Action Agenda. The newly launched Beijing Plus 30 Action Agenda focuses on 6 key areas: bridging the digital gender divide to ensure women and girls can access and shape technological advancements, freedom from poverty through investments in universal health coverage, education and care services, creating millions of green and decent jobs, zero tolerance for violence against women and girls with stronger laws, better enforcement and support for frontline organizations, equal decision-making power, leveraging gender quotas and other measures to enhance women's representation in leadership, women's roles in peace and security with fully financed national plans and sustained support for grassroots women's organizations, climate justice, ensuring that women's voices and expertise are central to environmental policies and the green economy. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the legal rights gap between men and women in 2024? 90%, 50%, 64% or 100%? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.